Thank you for joining me for today's bird walk. We've got a quick window in between some May showers, so I thought I'd check out the marsh. Let's go birding. Oh, we got some cedar waxwings up here. All right, let's get a shot. Oh, they're just a spectacular bird. I can see why these are some of a lot of people's favorite birds. They're masked. Their feathers are so smooth, sometimes the camera has a hard time focusing on them. What's through here? I don't know, through the branches. Sometimes these shots turn out pretty cool. See if I can get them open more. Well, hiding. Okay, well, I shouldn't spend too much more time with these cedar waxwings as much as I would love to, because I think there's quite a bit here today. What do we have flying over there? Oh. Is the starling up there? I think so. Okay. You can hear the waxwings call, their whistle. Oh, there goes a bunch. Okay, well, let's get moving. Okay, well, we'll follow that one. Waxwing now. Maybe we can get a closer shot. Can hear the towhee in there. They've got more leaves to hide around. Okay. Got a glimpse of them before he flew away. All right, let's keep rolling. I feel like this is one of the stays where it's more about seeing what comes to you rather than searching it out. There's lots here. When you try to search out everything, you might miss what's right in front of you. What do we got? Pigeons maybe? Oh, there's a hummingbird sitting on there. Grab that real quick. Rufous hummingbird. Oh, right to there. Not much of a backdrop, but wow, it really shows its color. Very cool. Okay, let's keep moving. There's lots of birds. Well, I was wondering if there'd be any activity in that nest and having a little nap. Gray blue heron having a nap in its nest. Cool, okay. There, the roof has moved a little bit. Let's get a little bit better of the green backdrop. It's a little further away. Really shows off its colors. Keep going. Oh. Wow. Looks like we got a couple finches here. There's just birds around every corner. This is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna sneak up and see if I can see the male there. There we go. No, wrong twig. Oh, there's some waxwings. I think I'm just going to keep you on board. There's so many birds around here. Okay. Wow, so fragrant. Wow. Oh. Mallards right here. Wow. Oh. You guys all want to be fed, eh? Sorry, I got nothing. Okay, I'll let you guys. I'm not feeding anybody today. Keep moving. Gonna have to do a few laps today. Or at least till the rain comes. There's some rock pigeons. Whoa. Okay. Let's keep moving. Let you guys do your thing. Looks like someone's left you a bunch of seeds there. All right. All right, so. All right, some mallards, Canadian geese. What do we got? Might be a merganser. No. All right, well, let's keep cruising up. There's so much to see, I'll have to see whatever jumps out at me. Oh, like that. Haven't got any sparrows on the ground yet. Okay, white crowned sparrow. See if he can finish his bath. Oh, this is great blue heron. Where is it gonna land? See if we can see where it landed. Oh, there's a wood duck. Got a quick shot of a wood duck. There we go. Well, that's got to be one of the tamest wood ducks I've ever seen. All right. And they insist on getting their photo. Well, you can hear some eagles. Go up here. Okay, well, let's go back and see where that heron landed, since there's so much happening. There's that wood duck again. This is gorgeous. Usually they've been quite skittish, and Usually I've hardly seen any, but these last few bird walks. Okay, let's see. Keep our eyes peeled for that heron. I thought it was right down around here. Yeah, I think I'll just keep cruising this way. Yeah, excuse me, I'm walking by. Guarding the family. I'll pull over up here. Oh, another rufus. Probably the same one I saw earlier. You know what I think that is? I think that's the heron fledgling. It's up here. I think that's fledgling making all that racket. I can't confirm that though, I don't see anything. There's definitely someone making a big fuss up there though. I'm pretty sure. That's coming from up in that nest. Let's swing around, maybe I can get an angle. It's maybe our best bet here. There. Better view at least. I'd like to say I see something in there, but I can't confirm it yet. You know, the best tell would be to be watching when it lands, seeing if any heads pop up. See if any heads pop up when it lands, but sure sounds like there's a fledgling or two in there. There's a warbler over here. The elusive warblers today. There. Wilson's warbler. I knew I was saying a Wilson's warbler, but they're hard to tell because they're kind of olive on the back. Come on, little guy. Yeah, see? Oh, I have a huge smile on my face right now. I just love shooting these things. Oh, sweet. Okay, let's keep moving. See what else we can see. See what else we can get photos of. Or better photos of. Oh, there's the eagle. Okay, well, I've just got a little bit of time left, so I'm going to start heading back. If I see anything new, I'll definitely stop, take a photo of it, but if not, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I got lots more videos coming. We're right in the thick of it. Thanks again. See you soon.